Hello, I'm going to show you how to unlock an employee's account. There are two ways you can go about it. The first way is to look up the employee, go into their employee record, and on the main tab down here under their name, if they're locked, there'll be a check mark there that shows locked. Uncheck that, hit save, and that'll unlock them. Or you can go to the hamburger and type in unlock. And then type in the employee's name. Choose the employee and click on unlock. And you'll get a notice the employee has been unlocked. And that's how you would unlock an employee that has been locked in Scissortail.